This is a look at the Gerber 98-000 hot compression stem assembly. So on here it shows you what the package contains, what tools you'll need to install the cartridge, and then in here's got the installation instructions. So then of course it comes with the compression stem, the washer, which goes right here, and the seat. We'll get a few measurements here. About 1.5 inches overall. About 1/4 inch there. And the seat inside is a little more than 1/4 inch. And right about 1/2 inch in height. The washer is a little less than 1 inch in diameter. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 98-000 compression cartridge.